Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to our phonics first lesson. During the last video, you watched and interacted when it was about the letter U that makes the sound, okay? So we wrote different words with that letter, and today we are going to start by writing sentences. So you need to locate your dry erase board, your marker, and your eraser. So if you need to pause the video to get those supplies, you may do that. Okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to say the sentence. We're going to pound the sentence, and we're going to count how many words are in our sentence. Okay? Remember, you can pause it if you need to. All right, the first sentence is, the nut was a dud. So let's pound that sentence. The nut was a dud. Let's count the words. The nut was a dud. So there will be 5 words. The is the first word in our sentence. Therefore, the T in the should be uppercase. So let's write the. T-H-E. Okay, and I need to make sure that when I am writing sentences, I am putting 2 finger spaces in between my words. So the nut, the nut. The next word is a red word, was, and we know was is spelled W-A-S. The nut was a. We know that's a red word too, spelled with an A. The nut was a dud. So what makes the D sound? That would be a D. What makes the sound? That would be a U. And then what makes the D sound again? And that would be a D. All right, we need something at the end of my sentence to make sure it's complete. So the nut was a dud. I am going to need a period to complete my sentence. Let's read this sentence together. The nut was a dud. Very good job. Go ahead and erase that one. All right, another sentence. Pam cut up the rug. Okay, let's go ahead and pound this sentence. Pam cut up the rug. Let's count. Pam cut up the rug. So we're going to have 5 words in our sentence, okay? Oops, Miss Scout dropped her marker. All right, the first word is Pam. All right? The first sound you hear in Pam is P. So that should be a P. Should a P be uppercase or lowercase if it is the first letter in our sentence? It should be uppercase. So let's put an uppercase P. Okay? And then am, we know, is a M. So Pam cut, was going to be a C, is a U, and T. Pam cut up. We wrote up yesterday. Up goes up. So I do my 2 finger space, and I do my which is a U. My P is a P. Pam cut up the. The red word, so you know how to spell that word, T-H-E. And then rug. All right, G. And then I have an N mark. So let's look at our sentence here. Oops. Pam cut up the rug. Very good job. You may erase that. The next sentence I want you to try on your own, okay? The sentence is, I see gum on the rug. So let's pound it. I see gum on the rug. All right, go ahead and pause my video and write the sentence. I see gum on the rug. You're going to have 6 words in that sentence, okay? So go ahead and pause my video, write that sentence down, and then unpause it to see if you have the correct spelling. I should be uppercase. 2-finger space. C is a red word. You should know how to spell that. S-E-E. I see gum. G. On has been a red word. The is another red word. And then rug. G. So check and see if yours looks like mine. I see gum on the rug. Very, very good job with this. You can go ahead and put your whiteboard and marker and eraser away, and you need to get out your red bumpy pad, your red piece of paper, and your red crayon. Red bumpy pad, red word paper, and a red crayon. You can go ahead and pause the video until you have your materials ready, okay? Alrighty, for those of us that are getting started, we are learning a new sight word today. And this sight word is he, okay? The sight word is he, like he is nice. He went to the store. All right, I want you to look up here where Miss Gallant writes the word he so you can see how it falls on these lines. So my lowercase h starts at the hat line, goes all the way down, comes all the way back to the belt line and over to make my H. And then my lowercase e starts in the middle, circle C's up and over, and that should have connected, okay? All righty. So if you're looking at my paper here, I have my crayon. I am going to write the word he. As I write the word he, I am going to say the letters. So I'm going to go H, E, he. Okay, if you look at mine, you can see the H, the E, and I said he. All right, let's do this 3 times. Ready? Let's go. H, E, he. Again. H, E, he. One more time. H, E, he. Very good job. You can remove your red bumpy pad. We are going to write the word he on these 3 lines. Okay? We're going to say the letters and underline it as we say the word. Ready? Let's go. H, E, he. Again. H, E, he. Last time. H, E, he. So by the time you finish this paper, you've written the word he at least 6 different times. Now you're going to flip it over, and I want you to use a pencil and write the word he on that line underneath your name, okay? Let Miss Scallon get a pencil. Alrighty. So what you're going to do is write the word he by memory. And he is spelled, as we know, H-E. Alrighty, let's write 2 sentences with the word he. The first sentence is he in the hut? All right, let's pound it. Is he in the hut? Let's count. Is he in the hut? That's 5 words. All right, the first word is, and this has been a red word before. And make sure it's uppercase. So uppercase I, lowercase s, is. He is your word spelled H-E. Make sure you're doing your 2 finger spaces. Is he in is another red word spelled I-N. Is he in the is another red word that you already know how to spell, T-H-E. And then hut. Hut. So H-U-T. And since I'm asking a question, I'm going to end with a question mark. So if you look, it says, is he in the hut? Very, very, very good job. Let's do our last sentence. The last sentence is, he got the hot nut. Let's pound it. He got the hot nut. Let's count it. He got the hot nut. So that is going to be 5 different words. Let's write it. He is our first word. I should have uppercase H, lowercase e. He, finger space, got. Got has been a word that we've seen many of times that's spelled got. The has been a red word that we've seen plenty of times. T-H-E. Hot. Hot was one of your spelling words a while ago. It goes, which is H. What vowel makes the sound? That would be an O. And then what makes the T sound? That is a T. He got the hot nut. And this is just a regular sentence, so I'm putting a period. So check your work. He got the hot nut. Alrighty. So your word was he, spelled H-E, and the sound was U, as in a short U that makes the sound. All right, see you guys next time.